Starting your garden from seeds is an exciting journey, but even seasoned gardeners can make mistakes. Let's explore 10 common seed starting errors and how to avoid them. First, ignoring seed packet instructions. Each packet provides vital information on planting depth, light requirements, and watering needs. Skipping these details can hinder germination and growth. Second, using poor quality soil. Heavy, compacted garden soil can suffocate seedlings. Opt for a light, well-draining seed starting mix to promote healthy root development. Third, overwatering. It's easy to think more water means healthier plants, but overwatering can lead to root rot. Ensure soil is moist but not soggy, and always check moisture levels before watering. Fourth, neglecting light requirements. Seedlings need 12 to 16 hours of light daily. If natural light is insufficient, consider using grow lights to prevent leggy growth. Fifth, not thinning seedlings. Allowing seedlings to overcrowd can stunt growth. Thin them out to give each plant enough space to thrive. Sixth, ignoring pest control. Pests can quickly damage young plants. Regularly inspect your seedlings and use natural remedies like neem oil to keep them healthy. Seventh, forgetting to harden off seedlings. Before transplanting outdoors, gradually expose seedlings to outdoor conditions to prevent shock. Eighth, planting at the wrong time. Research your local climate and frost dates to ensure you're planting seeds at the optimal time. Ninth, skipping fertilization. Seedlings require nutrients to grow strong. Use a balanced fertilizer to support their development. 10th, giving up too soon. Gardening requires patience. If seeds don't sprout immediately, don't be discouraged. Keep nurturing them, and success will follow. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll set your garden up for success. Remember, every gardener has faced challenges, but with knowledge and care, your seeds will flourish. Be sure to check out this video for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!